Forget everything you know about shipping policy pages. They're probably wrong anyway. Welcome to the video that's going to transform your e-commerce business in the next 5 minutes. If you're struggling with cart abandonment, then this is definitely for you. Now here's the brutal truth, guys. Your shipping policy is boring, it's confusing, and it's costing you sales. So let's fix that right now. Now, the great thing is with a lot of AI tools, you can actually craft a really great policy page just by using a very basic prompt. So I'm going to show you one now. All you need to do is just fill in the details, fill in your personal details for your store, and it will craft you a fantastic policy page. So let's do that now. So guys, I hope you got a lot out of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this prompt in the description of this video so you can try it out for yourself. And please do me a favor, if you do try it out, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to see how you get on with this. So if you're serious about scaling your e-commerce business, you need to join our school community right now. But fair warning, it's not for the faint-hearted. You can join our school community at theschool.com/the-ecom-network. So now it's your choice, guys. You can either keep struggling with your abandoned cart pages, or you can implement what I'm teaching you in this video and really transform your business. So guys, if you like this video, I've also included in the description of this video how to add custom pages to your Shopify store. All right, so you can implement just some of what I've taught you in this video with the AI prompt, use it in the next video that I'm going to show you as well.